Ashawo, Ashawo, boom, boom.
Hey, hello.
Madam, I beg, I no fit. I want to go. Check the next bus stop.
Madam, avoid me. Oh.
Hi, cutie, please.
Madam, I know they do both to bone.
Guy, all of us are reject customer now. That's the reason why we just street be this.
Ekeze,
I beg, come tell your experience about lanky girls.
Baba, lanky girls like this, they knock wetin no good. The last lanky girl went carry me. When he knocked me, Baba High told me, money when the girl pay me not to take care of myself before I fall back to the street. Man, you're wising up. Oh.
Now, what for now? Which kind of lazy people are they follow up for this junction?
Yeah, what about you? Yes, you.
Customer. How you dey be now?
Think they break. You think it's a joke?
Oh yeah, now you give me 100k.
100k. It's fine, no problem. Get into the car.
Mommy's here.
You fit pay 150k.
It's fine.
Sorry, where would they go? Na house or na hotel?
My house.
Oh yeah, now just give me 200k.
Don't worry, I'll give you the money. Hop in, let's go.
Hey, shut down.
Biko yemego.
Who the Zuzu?
Ori mi Jackie low.
What do you mean by that?
Life is all everybody money. Have fun, I'll see you later. No worry, they go send you.
Sawa, le, Ashawo.
Here you go. Follow me. Follow me, go inside. Where you they go?
Babe, you leave her now. Wetin happen?
No mind this useless boy. Since last night, now I carry this Ashawo. In they come, me no come.
How come?
Come inside. May you go make me come.
Ashawo, boom, boom.
Customer, check her now.
Customer, you go enjoy me, oh.
Baby. No.
Who please? Customer.
Succulent. I love your skin.
I have tough skin, oh. Gorilla standard.
Thunder fire you.
Come right in.
But if you pay so,
I will.
I did knock with no good.
I'll make you smile.
Suma Ashawo we dey do now. You don't go out to join them.
And I get fashion.
I better take out my guy well. Wait.
Madam, see my baby with another boy.
Out of me and you, one go take ground. Dead body go surplus.
Mickey, who be this boy?
Wait.
Who be this guy?
Who is this?
That's movie this
It's not what you think.
Move that boy. Because my baby is my life.
What is this? What's going on?
Customer beg no verse.
Okay.
And my baby this. You go help me go drop her from my house before we go hotel.